Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel Ambit Educations. In today's video, we will learn how to reflect live data changes in Power BI surveys, and the data will be connected through the SharePoint. I have created previously a video how to connect data through SharePoint and reflect live data changes in Power BI desktop. So you can watch that video. I will provide the link in description, and you can also watch one video before watching this video, that how to publish a Power BI desktop report on Power BI service. And if you are aware of both these things, you can watch this video directly, and if you are not aware, then you can watch that videos before watching this video. So let's get started this video without wasting more time. Okay, so we have created a one visual, and I have already published this report on Power BI. So this report is already published in Power BI. Now we are going to change some data. Let's change the data of the Modak. Okay, so the sum of selling price. Okay, so the product is Modak and the sum of selling price is 1750. So we are going on our SharePoint where our Excel file is loaded. So here our Excel file is located. So I have opened this Excel file. So I will change the data of Modak. Okay, so product is Modak and its sum of selling price is 1750. So let's change its data and let's see. Okay, so here is the Modak. Okay, and here is 250. So let's do it 500. Okay, so let's do it 500. Okay, so the data is get automatically saved. Okay, now first now you can go here, and what you have to do, okay, in whatever workspace you have published your report, you have to go in that workspace. So I published this report in my workspace with the name of my practice. So okay, this is my practice live data. So you have to go here and you have to refresh now this semantic model, and the refresh will get started. And here we got an error. Okay, so go on the settings. You have to go on the settings. Okay, now here you can say that last refresh failed. So go, and you have to go in data source credentials and click on the edit credentials. Okay, so here you can click on OAuth 2, and here you can click on none, and you have to click on sign in. Okay, so choose your email account, okay, through which your Power BI service is logged in. Okay, and now web data source is get updated. Now go again into the my practice and just go here and just click on the refresh now button, and it's going to refresh. Data get refreshed, and you can also see time from here. Now we have to open that our file. Okay, so we have opened. Okay, so the previous sum was also 1750. What you have to do, you have to click on here, refresh. Okay, and now you can see that the sum of selling price is 2000. So here you can see that the data is get changed. Okay, so in this way you can change the data. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for such tips and tricks. Thank you for watching this video.